It's better. Waylon, you need to put a hole. I want to plug clay. It is nice how these bags stretch when you. I brought the shirt and I was going to plug clay. Yeah, we do.
Here, hand me the higher one.
I'm trying to get them.
It's better than I thought it would.
Wait, look at.
Yeah, make sure.
Whose radio is that that's
loaded up. That's a good idea.
Still, put the bull on with your pack off.
No, it's a hind. I'm not tying the bull to my pack. You gotta be able to move it around.
Me and Steel are
gonna go through the brush.
Back and forth. There you go. Do that right there. How about tight?
Huh?
Tighten all those. Oh, they are tight as they go, huh? How heavy is it, Hunter?
It's up there.
You are. This pack carries weight really, really good.
All man's on a hellacious trail. Well, I don't know.
What? Cash?
That's a pretty good trail. I ain't complaining, wild man.
What's how heavy?
Not bad.
80?
No, I think I got light. I don't know how I got light. This is the lightest pack I've had on the open.
So it ain't like.
No. This is the lightest pack I've had in a long time.
So it's doable to go more.
Yes. That's what I told Hunter if you want to switch at some point.
Dude, it broke off in my.
Where at?
Don't.
Seed beef.
Right there. That finger.
Right there. Oh, I see it.
It broke off in there.
In your head? Going to me. You want to hop up in there with them?
Yeah.
I think we can get it to where we can hide her a little bit.
See if it'll come on.
I'd wait until we get ready to load.
Get ready.